to Microsoft Word and select the text and click on here underline. Select the underline style. The underline you can also sense, or you can set underline color. Okay, now click on here and you can sense the color as a green. Okay, the underline color is now at green. Okay, so this is the style of underline. You can sense the underline style in here. Okay, the underline style you can set this. Okay. Now click on OK. You can remove the underline from here. Okay. Then click on OK. If you want to bold this, just select and click bold. So underline style is the solid. Okay. This is the dash. This is the dot underline. You can select more underline. Click on here. This is the underline style. Okay. There are many underline styles are available here. You can search any of them. Uh, okay, I want to search this. Just click on OK, and this is the underline style. Okay.